Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Prasad, Head of Innovation at VNRVJIET. So ఇవాళ మనం చూడబోయే ఐటమ్ కోడ్ ల్యాబ్స్. కాలేజ్లో దేర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్: ఈసీఈ, కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్, ఈఐఈ, మెకానికల్, ట్రిపుల్ సివిల్, డేటా సైన్స్, ఐఓటీ, ఏఎంఎల్, CSBS, aeronautical engineering, name it. There are so many, and many are core branches, many other things are computer science related branches. But when I ask the students kada, they say sir, most of the times we are actually taught our department specific related knowledge and the courses related to our department, which is not bad. But when you want to solve the real world problems, and if you want to pick up problem of your own, then your knowledge should not be limited to your department, right? So and students తో మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఇంకొకటి కూడా నాకు ఏం తెలుస్తుందంటే, సార్ నాకు ఇప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది సార్ ఒక టెక్నాలజీ గురించి ఇన్ ద థర్డ్ ఇయర్ ఆర్ ఫోర్త్ ఇయర్. హ్యాడ్ ఐ నోన్ దిస్ వన్ ఎర్లియర్ అపాన్, బై నౌ ఐ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ డన్ మచ్. Had I introduced something, I could have made some more progress. Had I worked on this one, I would have done something too. So had అనేది చాలా కామన్గా వింటూ ఉంటాను. ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి అని చెప్తే, దెర్ ఇస్ నో డిస్కవరబిలిటీ. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో అందరూ కూడా బిజీ విత్ దేర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కంప్లీట్ కోర్స్ వర్క్. సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో వాళ్ళు డిపార్ట్మెంట్ స్పెసిఫిక్ నేర్పించేస్తున్నారు. సో దెర్ ఇస్ నో టైమ్ ఫర్ దెమ్ టు గో టు ఎ ప్లేస్ టు సీ దీస్ థింగ్స్. సో ఇట్స్ ఎ స్మాల్ అటెంప్ట్ టు సాల్వ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ through three verticals. One, giving discoverability to the students about, irrespective of your department, what all things are actually happening in the college and what all you need to know, right? Whether you want to learn them or not, second topic. Second, yes, I want to learn, but who is going to teach me? Can I basically teach it by myself? Can I get a taste of the technology or a framework, right? దాని గురించి అడ్రస్ చేస్తుంది కోడ్ ల్యాబ్, రైట్? అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ, నోబడి కెన్ టీచ్ యూ ఫర్ ఎవర్, రైట్? యూ నీడ్ టు లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ ఈచ్ అదర్, అండ్ హెన్స్ వీ నీడ్ ఎ కో లెర్నింగ్ స్పేస్. సో ఈ మూడింటిని అడ్రస్ చేస్తూ, ఫర్ ద డిస్కవరబిలిటీ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్, వీఆర్ ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ సంథింగ్ కాల్డ్ కమ్యూనిటీ. మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూ మస్ట్ బీ ఆల్రెడీ అవేర్ అబౌట్ దట్ వన్. సో VNRVJIET వెబ్సైట్కి కమ్యూనిటీ is very related, and it has all the important essential information that the students need to know, right? So discoverability part is addressed, and this should be your go-to place. Second, the experience element, which is, okay sir, there are multiple technologies about that one, so how can we basically learn? So every code lab is just like a tasting experience. Once you know how a banana tastes, how a mango tastes, how a ice cream tastes, similarly how a technology feels like an experience ganaka meeku vaste, then you will realize how to and when to use this technology to solve which problem much more effectively. Whether you are pro or not doesn't matter, but at least you should know which technology should be used. So ee technology itla vintunnaru IoT అని చెప్పేసి, fine, but what's inside that one? So this code lab teaches you about what are the fundamentals involved inside that one. How can you quickly get started? How do you build your first applications? Very important. And tarvata konni assignments where you can basically learn by your hands-on project exploration, as well as your critical thinking and problem solving abilities. Tarvata we'll take you to the next level, which is we add you to the pool of people who already know the technology in the college. May that be students, may that be other professors, staff members also. Then that co-learning begins, but no pain no gain. So you need to stay in the college after hours, where you can basically work up to 8 o'clock, utilize all the facilities available in the labs. But you might tell me sir, asalu ఏ కాంపోనెంట్ ఏ ల్యాబ్ లో ఉంది మాకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది, మా డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో ఐటమ్స్ మాకు తెలియకపోవచ్చు అంటే, we are giving you a good discoverability element where all the hardware available, important hardware available at the college, in which lab it is. So you can go to that lab, speak to that lab in charge, take those items required for your project, do the work, and give it back safely, and then keep on moving. So ila cheyadam valla your co-learning experience basically gets much more enriched. Then ee code labs mana VNRVJIET lona lekapothe are they basically elsewhere too? No, they are very prominent in the corporate world. Whenever a fresher or anybody basically joins the company, the code lab onboards that person on various things. For example, coding skills, tools introduction, frames introduction, ivanni kuda chesi they make you get started pretty quickly. ఇప్పుడు మన కాలేజ్లో కోడ్ ల్యాబ్స్ కూడా విత్ ఇన్ 2 to 3 kind of hours you should be able to complete that code lab and get a sense of that one. And again, why VNRVJIET lo there are 25 years of or maybe 29 years of students have been here, and వీళ్ళు చేసిన వర్క్ చాలా ఉంది. సో we are trying to make all the work discoverable to you so that you can pick up the work that has been done already. You understand that work with the current technologies and think innovatively newly, and you can take that work forward but with the students. So each core lab will have a unique touch about what are in the labs in the college, who are the people you can speak to, which are the student clubs that are related to the technology, and what are the previous projects done, and what are the biggest future challenges that are actually coming up to, and the events that basically happen which are related to this kind of technology. So we're trying to create an ecosystem for the people to learn the technology but together. Are you excited? We are too. All the best with the Codelabs. So far there are multiple areas we are addressing. Let us say IoT, web application development, and then object detection, Android, blockchain, cross-platform application building, and sometimes no coding platforms also make you move faster, robotics, generative AI, like that one. And even if you want to create a startup of your own, the Codelabs basically help you to think correctly in the initial stages such that your chances of succeeding is much better. All right, all the best VNRVJIET for the Codelabs. It's coming towards to you.